Hello students, let us continue with the topic compound interest. In this video, we are going to discuss the other application of the formula of amount, that is in case of growth and depreciation. So let us discuss our topic of the day. The first application is growth. The other words that can be used instead of growth are increase and appreciate. The word growth can be used in several ways, such as number one, the growth of the industries in the country. Number two, the rapid growth of plants. Now we are going to use the formula similar to the formula that we have used in case of finding amount, but we are just going to do a little bit changes in that formula. So the formula that we are going to use is V dash is equal to V bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power T, where V dash is the present production, V is the initial or the original production, R is the rate of growth, and T here represents the time period. The second application is of depreciation. The other words that can be used instead of depreciation are decrease and diminished. For example, if the cost of a machine depreciates by R% every year, then its value after n years can be obtained by this formula, that is V dash is equal to V bracket 1 minus R upon 100 raised to power T. Students, you just need to remember one thing. If the sums are related to of growth, so we are going to use a plus sign in the formula. If the sum is of depreciation, so we are going to use the sign of minus in the formula. So now let us discuss some example based on this topic. The first example is the population of a town in China increased by 20% every year. If its present population is 2,16,000, find its population after 2 years. So let us find out what is given to us in this sum. 20% every year, that is the rate given to us. 2,16,000, this is V given to us. After 2 years, that is the time period. As we are given the word increased, so we are going to use the formula of growth. That is, we are going to use the formula having a plus sign. So we have written what is given to us. We are given that V is equal to 2,16,000, R is equal to 20%, T is equal to 2 years, and V dash we need to find. Now we have applied the formula of growth, that is V dash is equal to V bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power T. Now we have substituted the values. So after substituting, we get 2,16,000 bracket 1 plus 20 upon 100 bracket close raised to power 2. Now students, we are going to do the cuttings of zeros only. No other cuttings we are going to do. Now after cutting, the next step is we are going to take the LCM. So the LCM of 1 and 10 will be 10. So on taking LCM, we get the next step as 2,16,000 bracket 10 plus 2 upon 10 raised to power 2. So that is 2,16,000 bracket 12 upon 10 raised to power 2. So now we are going to write 12 by 10 2 times. So we get 2,16,000 into 12 upon 10 into 12 upon 10. Now we are again going to do the cuttings of zeros. So now we are going to do the multiplication of 2,160 multiply by 12 multiply by 12. So on multiplying, we get V dash is equal to 3,11,040. Now we need to write our final answer, and our final answer is The population after 2 years is equal to 3,11,040. So let us discuss one more sum for the better understanding of this concept. The second example is a machine depreciates every year at the rate of 20% of its value at the beginning of the year. The machine was purchased for rupees 2,50,000 when new. After 3 years, it was sold. Find the scrap value of the machine. So students, let us find out what is given to us in this sum. So 20% is the rate percent. Machine purchased for rupees 2,50,000, that is the value of V. 3 years, that is the time period. And we need to find V dash. Now, as the word depreciate is there, so we are going to use the formula of depreciate. That is the formula having a sign of minus. Now, we are going to write down what is given to us. So, we are given V is equal to rupees 2,50,000. R is equal to 20% per annum. T is equal to 3 years. And V dash is equal to question mark. As the question was of depreciation, so we are going to apply the formula V dash is equal to V bracket 1 minus R upon 100 raised to power T. Now we are going to substitute the values. On substituting, we get V dash is equal to 2,50,000 bracket 1 minus 20 upon 100 bracket close raised to power 3. Now we are going to take the LCM. So on taking LCM, we get 2,50,000 bracket 100 minus 20 upon 100 raised to power 3. Now 100 minus 20 is 80. So we get 2,50,000 bracket 80 upon 100 raised to power 3. Now we are going to write down 80 upon 100 3 times. So we get 2,50,000 multiply 80 upon 100 multiply 80 upon 100 multiply 80 upon 100. So now students, we are going to do the cuttings of all the zeros. So this 0 can be cut with this one. This can be cut with this one. This with this one. And these 3 zeros can be cut with these 3 zeros. So after doing cutting, we get 250 multiply by 8 multiply by 8 multiply by 8. So on multiplying, we get V dash is equal to 1,28,000. So therefore, the value of machine after 3 years is equal to rupees 1,28,000. Now students, you have got one worksheet in your SNAP homework based on these sums. Solve that worksheet. Thank you and have a nice day.